If you want to make your emails mobile friendly, this is the 3-minute tutorial you've been looking for. I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to format your emails so they look perfect on any device, especially smartphones where over 60% of emails are open. Plus, I'll show you the exact software I recommend using, and you can grab an exclusive free trial in the description below, only available for viewers of my channel. Let's jump right in. First, always use a single column layout. Multi-column emails might look great on desktop, but on mobile, they stack awkwardly and confuse your reader. Keep it simple. One column, clean spacing. Next, make sure your font size is readable without zooming. Aim for 14 to 16 pixels for body text and 20 to 24 pixels for headings. Avoid going smaller or people will bounce right off your message. Use short paragraphs and break up your content. No one wants to scroll through a giant wall of text on a phone. Stick to 2-3 sentence blocks max and use spacing to guide the eye down the screen. Images need to be responsive. That means they automatically resize based on screen size. In the software we'll be using, you can set images to 100% width with auto height. This keeps them looking sharp without stretching or breaking layout. Also, keep image file sizes small so your email loads fast on mobile data. Compress them before uploading if needed. Buttons are critical. They should be big enough to tap with a thumb. A minimum of 40x44 pixels is the standard. Place them prominently and make sure they don't sit too close to other elements. You want tap targets to be isolated and easy to hit. Stick to a max email width of 600 pixels. That's the sweet spot that works across devices, and the software we're using automatically sets this for you. You'll also want to preview the mobile version before you send anything out. This software has a built-in mobile view that makes it quick and easy. Avoid stacking too many links or menu items. That might look fine on a big screen, but on mobile it clutters everything up and leads to accidental clicks. And finally, test your emails on both iOS and Android if possible. The software we're using lets you send a test email and preview on multiple devices so you can tweak before sending it to your whole list. The key takeaway from this video is this: clean, simple, and thumb-friendly wins. Making your emails mobile-friendly isn't just a nice touch. It directly impacts open rates, engagement, and clicks. Quick recap: use a single column layout, readable font sizes, short paragraphs, responsive images, large buttons, a 600 pixel width, and always test before sending. All of this can be done inside the software we're using. And the good news? You can get an exclusive free trial in the description below. I highly recommend taking advantage of it, especially if you want to follow along and build emails the right way from now on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.